Hello YouTubers. I know there's a lot of you out there using the Odyssey Stroke Lab RBall, but some of you all don't like the sound because it sounds like an aluminum bat when you hit the ball. Easy fix. Easy fix. Just take a piece of foam and you're going to attach it with adhesive right over the bridge. You put it over the bridge, this acoustic sound will be dampened, and when you hit a putt, it doesn't sound like a aluminum bat. It's a nice, fluid, solid strike. Have a good day. Merry Christmas.